So let's go back to those road conditions. Some areas we've seen are improving by the hour.
Which is great. Crews have been out there still trying to dig out parts of our region. And WCPO 9 News reporter Connor Stephanie rode along with some of the snow crews today. What did you see while you were out there on the roads, Connor?
Tanya, Adrian, I saw a diligent effort with these crews continuing to plow back over streets. The reason they're doing this is because of the cold conditions, doing what they can to combat that, really. But right now for ODOT and Hamilton County drivers, it is the calm after the storm, so to speak. The heaping of snow may be in Cincinnati's rearview mirror.
Very technical when you're plowing.
But for ODOT Highway Technician Roger McConnell,
we're trying to help out and keep people from sliding to each other.
It's still front and center. By Tuesday morning, this is what much of McConnell's workload looked like, moving snow off of ramps and plowing to widen highway shoulders.
I'm just making sure that it's wide enough for people to pass.
Over the weekend, McConnell plowed more than 900 miles of road, working 12, even 16 hours straight at a time.
We made it through. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of the city for staying in like they said they were going to stay in, so they gave us room to work.
Describe this weekend to me.
Hectic. Very busy, just kind of hard to take.
Shane Hall is a Hamilton County maintenance engineer. This weekend, his truck doubled as a bed between shifts.
Your eyes start to play tricks on you, and you know the snow is coming down super hard and it's hard to see, and your body just says, hey, I've got to rest for a little while.
Back to being well rested, Hall gave us a look at his snow route.
I feel like as a whole, Hamilton County's roads are as good, if not better than everybody's at this point in time in the game.
Challenges still stand, but fewer than at the storm's peak. Hall says rural county roads are a focus right now, along with other unfolding situations.
Some springs, you have water main breaks that happen, and the ice just gets on the road and can be 3-4 inches thick. And
as of now, a majority of the issues we've seen here with the snowy roads happen to be those side streets. Remember, that is the city of Cincinnati's job to clean up, and you can check on the progress on those roads. You can go to the city's snowplow tracker, find the latest for when the last time the plows touched your road was. For now, we're live in Cincinnati. Connor Steffen, WCPO 9 News.